not what I was planning. Finally got it out. I think clutch and everything still looks good.
Till all of your speakers blow. It's kicking up so high like me. We ain't trying to smoke the scene. Blazing up on us brutally. When we get ready to flow, I'm about to start this shit off. Let all you suckers know. When I'm coming out with the green and shot my empire, we roll. For sure the brazen my pride right up inside Shot Town. Say ho. When I bust my flow, I let it off on the road for sure. To the truth, blood, it's my pride up inside your studio. People call my enemy. You know what I really mean. Busting flows like the machine. My game is about the red and green.
Alright, so before I tighten up the remaining transmission bolts, just remember this rack and pinion. You just make sure to tie it up when you remove the subframe. I have it tied right here with a strap. So have that tied up and then bring the subframe down. That way this rack and pinion stays up and it'll be a lot easier when you put up the subframe again. Alright, subframe is in.
I still will never end until the world is rewind. Reincarnation sends me back to live this life. When my rhyme explodes through the universe, then I shall die. The kingdom of Cambodia, my peeps, I'm really feeling you. The pain remains, but time won't stay, so best be on your way today. Move up on the head and get the right supply, you need it.
Alright, so I kind of cut off the install video because my battery was dying, and then there's just gonna be too much editing for me if I was to record the whole process. But anyways, transmission is in. I got all the piping hooked back up. The ECU, battery and all that stuff. The only hard part really was this intake piping right here that goes to a turbo. Well, such at a weird angle. You got the shifter cables and everything that was in the way, but got that in. So yeah, that's the old transmission. Still very clean, just no third, fourth gear. Kind of sucks, but anyways, yeah, let's start it up. Make sure it's neutral. Okay. So what was happening was, when the car is running, you cannot go into third or fourth, but now you could. First, it's good. Second, I'm just kind of letting off the gas, the clutch. Third, it's good. Fourth, it's good. Fifth, it's good. Sixth, it's good. Six, reverse, it's good. Okay.